everybody. It's Wellness Week Live. I am your host, DJ Tony. It's too kind. Thank you. So, let's talk about making your own protein powder, okay? I am a big fan of protein powder. I used to drink it like every day. But when you read the back label to protein powder, don't forget like and subscribe. When you read the back label to protein powder, you discover that it's a lot of garbage, a lot of shit. Even the good ones out there, there's stabilizers and a lot of just unnecessary stuff, especially for me. I know I'm watching my cholesterol, my LDL, so I have to watch the saturated fat, which is basically, it's almost impossible to escape that out there. So I now make my own protein powder, and so can you. It's very, very easy. It takes 4 minutes. You're going to love it. Here's what I do. So you're going to need dry ingredients for this. It'll literally take you 4 minutes. You'll save yourself a lot of money. You'll get clean, usually organic, just vegan-friendly. I'm not a vegan, but anyways, vegan-friendly protein powder that you can make yourself. So number one, chia seeds. If you don't know what chia seeds are what they are. What they sound like, seeds. They're tiny little specks, like little black balls. And that they have a ton of protein. Second, almonds. Put that together in a bowl. Lentils, dry lentils, okay? You put that in the bowl or in the blender. Oatmeal. There's a vanilla, Quaker makes a vanilla oatmeal powder, which I like, but just regular oatmeal is fine. You can, if you want some flavor, you can get vanilla powder online from Amazon or whatever. But oatmeal has protein. Oatmeal. Now, green peas. Now, green peas have a lot of protein, but if you put too much green pea in the mix, for some reason, they're very strong tasting, so it's going to taste like you're eating or drinking peas. So I wouldn't put a lot of green peas in there. But the chia seeds, the almonds, the lentils almost have no taste. And oatmeal, too, has no taste. It's neutral. So if you're looking for taste, like I said, you can add the vanilla powder or chocolate, cocoa powder, or whatever. It's up to you. So what else? Depending on how much of these dry ingredients you put together, will determine how much you're going to get. So like I have a Ninja blender with a large cylinder, large cup. That makes me about, if I do 1 scoop a day, 5 days, almost a week of powder. And if I put 2 scoops in my drink, then, different. However, what I do is, you could just mix that with milk or water, fine. But I'll add now a banana into that mix, or like blueberries, or even like, garbanzo beans, chickpeas, call me crazy. Those are protein also. You can even throw in tofu, a lot of protein in that. But just the dry powder is the chia seeds, almonds, lentils, oatmeal, green peas. That's it. It'll take you 4 minutes. I love it. And like I said, you're saving yourself. I mean, forget it. It would cost like, who knows, some of these things cost, for a box or a bag of protein powder, sometimes you're paying $70. You can make this for maybe $1, $2. No, you can probably make this for, I'll say $5. Like a whole large bag of it that you would pay $70 for, $50 for, $30 for. So, I mean, you're saving yourself, $25, $30. And it's ingredients you can pronounce. There's no stabilizers, no bullshit, no chemicals, whatever. Okay, tell me what you think. Do you make your own protein powder? What protein powder do you use? Like and subscribe, people. Okay, I appreciate that. I am signing us out, and we got more great content coming up. I'm out of here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bye.